Hello, and a very warm welcome back to English for Everyday Life. We are so happy you've joined us today for a very positive and kind topic.
Yes, a very special welcome. I'm Ali, and I'm here with Ina. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about ourselves in a wonderful way. We will learn how to describe our own personalities.
That's right. Sometimes in an interview or when meeting new friends, people ask, how would you describe yourself? It can be difficult to find the right words. So today, we will learn many positive words for your personality.
We will learn words that are kind, strong, and friendly. You will be able to talk about the good things inside you. This is so important for your confidence in English.
Let's begin this beautiful journey of learning words about ourselves. We will start with one of the most important words. This word is about being good to other people. The word is kind.
Kind. A kind person is good, caring, and helpful. A kind person smiles. A kind person helps other people. My grandmother is a very kind person. She always makes food for our family.
That is a perfect example. Being kind is a wonderful trait. Let's say it together. I am kind.
Let's all say that. I am kind. Say it with confidence because it is true.
Wonderful. Now let's learn another word. This word is for when you work very hard. The word is hardworking.
Hardworking. A hardworking person works with a lot of energy. They do not get lazy. They are strong and active in their work or studies. I am a hardworking student. I study English every day.
Yes, you are. And so is everyone listening. Let's practice this one. Repeat after us. I am hardworking.
Fantastic. Now let's think about someone who always tells the truth. What word do we use for that? We use the word honest.
Honest. An honest person tells the truth. An honest person does not lie. People trust an honest person. It is very important to be honest. My best friend is very honest. I can trust her with anything.
That is so valuable. Let's say it about ourselves. I am an honest person.
Beautiful. So we have 3 words now: kind, hardworking, honest. These are amazing parts of a personality. Let's say them all together. I am kind. I am hardworking. I am honest.
You are doing so well. Now let's learn a word for someone who is easy to talk to, someone who is friendly and nice. The word is friendly.
Friendly. A friendly person is warm and open. A friendly person says hello and smiles. You are all being so friendly by learning with us today.
Let's practice. Say, I am a friendly person.
Excellent. Now, what about when things are difficult? What about when you have a problem? We need a word for someone who does not give up. That word is patient.
Patient. A patient person can wait calmly. A patient person can try something again and again without getting angry. Learning a language requires patience. You are all being very patient with yourselves right now.
This is a very peaceful word. Let's say it slowly. I am a patient person.
Wonderful. Now, let's learn a fun word. This word is for someone who makes other people laugh. The word is funny.
Funny. A funny person tells good jokes. A funny person sees the happy side of life. My brother is very funny. He always makes me smile when I am sad.
Let's practice. Say, I can be very funny.
Great! Now we have 6 wonderful words. Let's take a moment to review them. We will say each one and you repeat it. Kind, hardworking, honest, friendly, patient, funny. Now let's put everything together. How would you answer the question, how would you describe yourself?
You don't need to use all the words. Just choose 1 or 2 that are true for you. Let's listen to some examples.
Example 1. For a job interview. I am a hardworking and punctual person. I'm also a very honest team member.
Example 2 for meeting a new friend. I'm a friendly person, and I like to think I'm kind. I love to laugh, so I can be pretty funny sometimes.
See? You can mix and match. Now, it's your turn to practice. We will ask you the question and you answer. Choose 2 words from today that you feel are true for you.
Ready? Here is the question. How would you describe your personality? Think of your answer. Use I am and 2 words.
Amazing! We are sure you did wonderfully. Let's try one more time. This time, choose 2 different words. Tell me a little about yourself. What is your answer?
Incredible. You are now able to talk about yourself in a positive and clear way in English. This is a huge achievement.
Let's do a giant final review of all the positive character traits we learned today. We will say each word and you repeat it. Remember, these words describe you. Kind, hardworking, honest, friendly, patient, funny, tidy, punctual, caring.
You have learned so much. You have a new toolkit of words to describe the amazing person that you are.
You are learning so many new ways to describe yourself. Now let's learn how to use these words in a sentence. The easiest way is to say I am or I am a person.
Let's practice this structure. We will give you a word and you make a sentence. First word, friendly. Your sentence, I am a friendly person.
Next word, hardworking. Your sentence, I am a hardworking person.
Perfect. Now let's try a different structure. You can say, I am, and then the word. For example, I am honest. Let's try with patient. Your sentence, I am patient.
This is fantastic. You are building sentences about your own character. Now let's learn a few more positive words. This word is for someone who is clean and organized. The word is tidy.
Tidy. A tidy person likes order. A tidy person keeps their room and their desk clean. I am a tidy person. I like to organize my books.
Let's practice. I am a tidy person.
Good. Another important word is for someone who is on time. The word is punctual.
Punctual. A punctual person arrives at the correct time. A punctual person is not late. For work and meetings, it is good to be punctual. I always try to be punctual for our podcast.
Yes, you are. Let's say it. I am punctual. Now, let's learn a word for someone who understands other people's feelings. This is a beautiful word. The word is caring.
Caring. A caring person helps people who are sad or sick. A caring person shows love. Mothers and fathers are very caring. A good friend is caring.
This is a very kind word. Let's say it. I am a caring person.
We have 3 more great words. You are building a wonderful vocabulary. Let's review our new words. Tidy, punctual, caring. Remember, the best way to learn these is to use them. Think about which words are true for you. Say them to yourself in the mirror. You are kind. You are hardworking. You are a good person learning a new language, and that is fantastic.
We are so proud of you for taking this time for yourself. Now, for our community question, we would love to hear from you.
Our question is, which positive personality trait do you value most in a friend? Is it kindness, honesty, or something else?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your thoughts and learning about what is important to you.
Thank you for your beautiful energy today. Keep practicing these words. Be proud of who you are.
You are a wonderful student. Thank you for learning with us. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.
Goodbye.